Holy f***ing shit! Lowbrow Customs! Beep, beep.
All right, everybody, it's time for another one of Todd's Tech Tip Quickies from America's favorite moto guru, Todd.
Hey guys, I want to show you a new tool we have here at Lowbrow Customs. We got this awesome German-made, hand-modified in New Jersey light tester from Kickstart Cycle Supply. Walter over at Kickstart Cycle Supply takes each one of these once he gets them, and he modifies them by putting some nice cloth covered wire on there. It's got 36 inches of wire. It's got a nice clip on the end of it for grounding it. It's made out of brass. It's got a little window where it lights up when you touch it to power. It's got a little cover over the pointy part. This would be a great addition to your tool roll if you're going on a road trip. A light tester, very handy tool for working on motorcycle electricity. I gotta say that I have one of these in my garage, and I think I use my light tester way more often than I use my multimeter. Because basically with a light tester, it's gonna tell you, is it hot or is it not? We're gonna demonstrate how it lights up by attaching it to the battery on this 69 Triumph. Remember, guys and gals, your Triumph is positive ground. So don't hook it up backwards or then you will burn up your new light tester. So this is going to be the positive side, which will be ground on this motorcycle. We'll hook it up there and we'll show you how she lights up in the little window. You're going to attach that to the battery. And then there's this little window on here. And would you look at that? She lights up when it sees power. Handy tool for setting your points, checking for electricity. Your bike quit running. Is there power to the coil? No? Hey, that might be the reason why. We'll use it to do something practical on this motorcycle. We'll go ahead and test, let's say, taillight's not working. We're gonna check for power at the socket with this light tester. Anytime you're gonna use a light tester, you always wanna verify that the light tester does in fact work. Is it lighting up? If your battery is grounded to your chassis should act as a ground. So you should be able to pick a point on your chassis, something bolted to the frame, and that should be grounded. So let's test that theory. We're gonna clip it right here on this fender bracket, which should in theory be grounded. And we can check it before we check our light by touching it on the battery. Hey, look at that. That's a good ground, it lights up. So if you don't have a good ground, your light tester is not gonna light up and you might not know why something's not working on your motorcycle. So we'll go ahead and we'll turn on the power here. This one has a switch that operates the headlight taillight. That's in the on position. And now we're gonna check to see if we have power at the socket on the taillight. So we're just hypothetically, we have an issue. And so we're just gonna touch it on the pole in there. And oh, would you look at that, it lights up. So that's telling me that the connection between where it connects up front and back here works. You could also check your brake light switch by going to the other side and depressing the brake pedal. And then it should light up and that will check your switch. You could use it to check the switch. You can use it for lots of things. So head on over to lowbrowcustoms.com, check out this awesome new light tester, Kickstart Cycle Supplies, and get one. Put it in your tool roll and go for a ride. Woo!
Todd's Tech Tip Quickie.